And a good day, everybody. Jewel here, and this is Hurricane Sally coming into the Gulf Shores area earlier this morning. This video is courtesy of Simon Brewer. Thank you, Simon, so much for letting us use this. The winds were 105 miles per hour as that Sally did gain that strength we've been talking about, and was a Category 2 as she made inland fall. 20 inches of rain has fallen in this area so far. So it wasn't just a little itty-bitty storm. We're going to be seeing more damage as daylight hours progress through today of Hurricane Sally. But Hurricane Sally did make landfall this morning around 4:45, 5:45 Eastern Time along the Gulf Shores of Alabama. The winds were 105 miles per hour. Pensacola, Florida has had a beating also. This is going to keep moving easterly, and the storm is going to spread rain all the way from Georgia up through parts of South Carolina and North Carolina. We have some more damage as Hurricane Sally made landfall along the Gulf Shores. You can see how the rain and the storm surge caused the flooding. Category 2, coming in with 105 mile per hour winds. Good day, everyone. Jewel here with your tropical update on Wednesday, the 16th of September, 2020. Well, we've seen what Sally did as she made landfall in the Gulf Shores area of Alabama. Still occurring heavy rains, heavy downpours, and still some good, strong wind in it. Right now, 100 mile per hour winds as of 8 a.m. It's moving northeast at 3. Very slow mover. Sally is going to cause substantial rainfall across Alabama, parts of Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina. So let's take a quick look at that. Pensacola, Florida has already picked up 15 inches of rain already, right in here. 15 inches of rain in this area. Outside, as Sally moves along in the orange area, expect anywhere from 10 to 15 inches of rain, as you can see right in here. Now, that is for the red area right here. When we come to the brown, all the way through Alabama and parts of Georgia, 6 to 10 inches. Now, there could be some heavier pockets where you could receive some more. Some may receive more, some may receive a little less. But this is a general idea where the very heavy rain is going to be. Now, in the yellow, this is 4 to 6 inches. Nothing to sneeze at. 4 to 6 inches of rain all the way through North Carolina and portions of Virginia Beach, Norfolk, Virginia, up in this area, 4 to 6 inches of rain. Everything in just the green, 2 to 4 inches of rain. And our friend, Bama Grits, bless her heart, I spoke with her yesterday. Of course, Sally did jog a little to the east, more easterly before it made landfall. So, Bama Grits, you're going to get about 2 to 4 inches of rain up in this area here. As you can see, this what saved you though was Sally jogging just a little to the east before she made landfall. But everybody else, you see where all this rain is coming, so please be aware of it. Slight chance of flash flooding through the next 3 days. As you can see, the area here, very high, 50% for flash flooding. Everybody else in this red, it's moderate. We have a 20% chance of some flash flooding going on through parts of Alabama, Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina. Now, you can see over here as it moves through on day 2. It moves right in this area. We'll see if we can bring it up right quickly for you. You can see right here. This is a moderate chance of 20 to 50% chance of some flash flooding. This is for parts of Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina. Please be aware, folks, this water is nothing to mess with. As we look at the tracking map, we can see by the time it reaches inland a little ways up from where it's at right now, say around lunch today, a little after, it should become a tropical storm, then just a depression as it moves through Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina for Sally. So far as the rest of the systems going on, we sure do have them going on. We have 7 right now that are either made or in the making. Looks like that disturbance number 2 will become Wilford. A good chance. We'll have to wait and see. Of course, that's the last letter of the alphabet. Then we go to the Greek alphabet. What will the storm names be, if any occur? Here we have them. Alpha, Beta, Gamma, Delta, Epsilon, Zeta. You see them all right here. So I thought I'd put this up so you guys could see it. You can keep it. You'll know what the names of the storms will be if we do continue to have them form and flip over into the Greek alphabet. All right, let's start down here with disturbance number 1. This area of low pressure is over the southwestern Gulf of Mexico. It does have some showers and thunderstorms that have become a little bit better organized during the past several hours. Now, upper level winds are forecast to gradually become more conducive for development, and a tropical depression could form late this week or over the weekend while it meanders over the southern Gulf of Mexico for the next several days. 2 days, 40%, 5 days, 60%. I think it will meander. I'm watching Texas. Don't worry. I think, though, more than likely this is going to go over into Mexico. Any changes? I will let you know. Now, over here, well, let's get back down to disturbance number 2 first. Showers and thunderstorms, they are continuing in association with an area of low pressure. It's a few hundred miles south-southeast of the Cabo Verde Islands. Now, the environmental conditions are conducive for development of the system, and a tropical depression is likely to form during the next few days while this system moves generally westward 10 to 15 miles per hour. In 2 days, it has a 50% chance of forming, and 5 days, a 70% chance of forming. You can see how it's moving, just about like Teddy did. Now, I know all of my island friends over here are kind of worried probably maybe this will come. Right now, it's looking like it's going to move kind of like Teddy is moving. Any changes, I will let you know. You guys should be safe from Teddy. It should come up around this area here, but not really move any further westward. Of course, this can change. I've got my eyes on it. When I see changes occur, I will put them up, and I am watching disturbance number 2. Do not worry. Now, disturbance number 3. This is a non-tropical area of low pressure. It's over the far northeastern Atlantic. It's a few hundred miles northeast of the Azores, and it could acquire some subtropical characteristics while it moves southeastward and eastward about 10 miles per hour during the next few days. Now, looking like this is going to head over into the area of Europe, okay? In 2 days, it's got a 20% chance. 5 days, 20% chance. I will keep my eyes on this and keep you posted also. Now, to the systems themselves. Paulette, let's not forget Paulette. Her winds are 100 miles per hour. The pressure is 966 millibars. Paulette's moving east-northeast at 29 miles per hour. And then, of course, we do have Teddy, which is going to become a major hurricane. But hopefully, before it hits any kind of land anywhere, if it does hit land, it's going to die back down. But right now, the winds are 100 miles per hour. The barometric pressure is 976 millibars. Located 15.8 north, 49.0 west. It is moving northwest at 12 miles per hour. And then we have Vicky. Vicky's winds are 50 miles per hour. Vicky's not going to make it, though, folks. I think Vicky's going to die down. The pressure is 1,004 millibars, tracking 21.6 north, 33.9 west, and Vicky's moving west-northwest at around 9 miles per hour. This is a tracking map for Hurricane Teddy. Hurricane Teddy. You can see it is a hurricane as of today. The winds are 100, turning into a major hurricane tomorrow. Staying that way right on up until, look at this, poor Bermuda again. Sunday, it should take a turn to head a little more northward. Now, if this turn does not occur, we got to keep our eyes on it because it's marching straight over this way, folks. If it doesn't make that turn then. A hurricane with a lot of strength like this, even if it's offshore 100 miles, we still get effects along the coastline here. So keep your eyes on it. Bermuda, please watch it. It's looking like it's going to go up your way just a little east maybe, but it's still going to cover you by the first of next week, one way or the other. And this is Hurricane Teddy. And as you can see, folks, all the island areas, you should not be affected by Teddy. Here is Vicky. Here is Vicky, Tropical Storm Vicky. I told you Vicky's going to die out. She is a tropical storm now, but by the end of the week, she's going to turn into a depression. She is headed down this way. The islands will occur some gusty winds now and then, but nothing that you should not be able to handle, and you will probably be receiving rain out of Vicky also. Now here we have Paulette. You can see Paulette right up in this area has moved all along now. Moving right on along, as you can see, coming on down and then taking a sharp curve and moving southward as a post-tropical storm by Monday. So we'll have to see what happens. I will keep my eyes on Vicky. Do not worry. Wrapping this up right quick, I'm not going to go into a lot of models and this, that, and the other. I've told you what the National Hurricane Center is looking at right now and what they think. As the days go past, we will discuss Teddy further as it starts to move around and up, and especially for all of these areas right up in here. If it makes that turn like it should by sometime Sunday. If not, Teddy could inch a little closer over to the U.S. coastline. We'll just have to wait and see. Hopefully it's going to make that turn. I'll keep my eyes on disturbance number 3, all you guys here. I really think it's going to take a path kind of like Teddy, though. And all of the other systems, everyone, please, from the Florida Panhandle to parts of Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina, rain is on the way. I'm even going to get some rain of it all the way over here on the coast of North Carolina from Sally. So be safe, my friends. Be aware. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Click that bell. Click subscribe. And make sure you check off all. Okay? That will ensure you get all my latest videos. Don't worry, folks. If I see anything that may be of danger coming your way, I'll be sure and get it out for you. Have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day, my friends, and much peace, love, and kindness to each and every one of you. Thank you for watching.